Today we got a video from Final Confession, and the title of the video is Iguana got arrested for resisting arrest and trespassing.
On October 6th, 2025 in Daytona Beach, Florida, two officers responded to an unusual call about a large reptile wandering near a home.
He's gorgeous, he's huge, he's beautiful. It looks like he's fed very well.
Yeah. It looks like it should be somebody's pet. I don't know.
That's probably what it was. And
He was found over there first, and he walked his way across the street.
oh yeah, he is beautiful.
Oh my God.
He's a big boy.
Isn't he handsome?
He sure is.
Yeah, I love his tail. He's got good coloring on him.
So unfortunately, in the state of Florida, they're invasive animals.
I know.
Don't tell me they're going to kill him.
Where I'm going to take them, they're not going to.
Okay.
We take them out to the land, or I take them out to the land to the venomous reptile place.
I've been there. Yeah.
They
I
have
keep them.
Yes.
they have one other iguana, and I
Yes.
brought it out there. So
Okay. I was just there about like a month or so ago.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, they have all the snakes and stuff out there, and the little
you gotta
pathways
tell
you
me
walk
where that
through.
place is.
It's just off 92
Yep.
as you're out there.
I love
you'll
reptiles.
see a sign. It's really neat. Yeah, it's a good thing to support. All right, we gonna watch this? Can I videotape it?
Absolutely.
Is this gonna be on OP Live?
No, that's live PD.
It's called OP Live now.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Mike and I watch that.
Yeah, we do.
This is 100% some Florida stuff right here, man. This is this got Florida written all over it, man.
Oh, look.
Reptiles and stuff, alligators and iguanas.
Are you at the location with the iguana?
Yes.
We really have no information. So,
I know.
They doing waiting on backup.
the person there actually needs to call pet control.
So let them know we. I'll go. Lee, this is Petty. I've always taken them to the venomous reptile place in the land. They take them.
Tried to feed him.
We've run into this before around here?
Yeah.
This will be my second.
Did she mention something about the owner was nearby? Or did she believe the owner was nearby?
We don't know.
No, he definitely looks well fed, like he's a pet, but they don't know where he is.
Alright, do you have a solution?
I'll take it.
Nope. We can either take him to whoever wants him, or we can take him to the land, to the venomous reptile place. But we're gonna scoop him out of these people's yard. All right.
Okay, they got confirmation. Go get them, boys.
Yeah.
Or boy and girl.
Kind of go up beside him, reach under his neck, and then under, like you're picking up a little dog. Come on, trainee.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you want to be an officer in Florida? It's part of the job.
He's okay. Yeah.
Do you need a blanket? Somebody said that you should cover his eyes. Maybe we should put a blanket.
I've done that before, but he's probably a pet, so he's probably used to being picked up.
That's what I thought too, but he was scared.
Yeah, he's not happy. He's out of his air conditioning.
Yeah.
Come on, this is easy now, dude. This is your time to be getting your reps in, man, before you actually have to deal with real, bigger humans. They're not bigger humans, like as if this iguana is a human. But look, you should be getting your reps in right now. Getting your reps in, so that way when it's time for you to deal with actual humans, it's muscle memory. Go in there, get them. Uh-oh.
I'll stay over here so he doesn't run. You're okay, I promise you. Don't grab them too far back on the tail because they can release their tail.
Yeah.
So grab them kind of up close to the butt. and then under his belly like that. He can't spin around and bite you or anything like that. Just under his front legs and grab the base of his tail. Or come over here and I'll grab him. You're good.
Why is the neck like so long?
See, he gonna get you together. You playing games.
You gotta go in there and get him.
It was a rare case where police weren't chasing a person but an iguana. Even so, capturing it was easier said than done.
Here, come over here. I know. Grab him.
See, he running.
Hey, I'm gonna need you to go on the other side. Grab him.
Oh my
Grab him back behind his neck.
Oh, can I have the tail?
Oh my God, she freezing up, bruh. Come on, man. Come on, man. You ain't see him running. She freezing up. What's gonna happen when a real suspect smack you with his tail? Oh, oh. You know what I'm saying? And get up out of there. What you gonna do? You gonna freeze up?
Hold him as close to that fence as you can. Hold him tight. He's not gonna hurt you. Hold it tight. All right, you can let it.
Whoa. Feisty one.
That's enough.
Stop resisting.
Wow, he's awesome.
He's a healthy boy.
He is. Look at that face. Oh my God, he's gorgeous.
He is beautiful.
I wish we could have him.
They're not going to kill him, right?
Not there, and I think I have another officer that wants him. So.
Oh, that's awesome.
Look at his beautiful orange and green.
He's in great shape.
Oh man.
Yeah, he's beautiful.
So if I post this out on Nextdoor, I can say that that's where he was taken.
Yeah, you can tell him the police department took him.
Okay.
And that, you know.
Are you going to restrain him? Handcuffs?
Yeah.
You're gonna drive and he's gonna hold him?
Oh no, he's just going in the back like a perpetrator.
No.
That's how I did the last one. So.
Oh my God.
The pets that I used to have were
Absolutely
smaller than that.
Yeah.
And they used to sit.
Now, this is all fun and games, right? But the thing is that she froze up. I ain't gonna lie. And this is all fun and games. I get it. You know, it's, iguana, stuff like that. But what happens when you got to run inside of somebody's house and it's filthy and there's a whole bunch of rats and rodents in there? And you got to go in there and either save somebody or whatever, you get in a domestic call or whatever the case may be. And that's not far-fetched. That's actually a reality that can very well happen. So are you going to get freaked out because you seeing a whole bunch of rats and this and that? And, there's people that live like hoarders. Their houses are not dirty, disgusting. Like it's past, dirty. It's past that. This ain't like, oh, I didn't clean up, for a couple of days, for a week or whatever. This is filthy, So what you gonna do? You gonna freeze up like that? Oh, let me hold the tail. Let me just, instead of at least attempt. If I was training her, right, I would at least want her to attempt to do it on her own. And if you fail, that's why the teacher is there, the senior officer is there. At least attempt to do it. And then if you fail, then I could correct you or whatever, or I'm here. When I was in corrections, you got new guys that come in and stuff, and I didn't have a whole bunch of time, but the way that the jails was running, I mean, new guys is training new guys. Like I maybe had like 2-3 years on the job at the time, and I'm getting paired up with a guy fresh out the academy, you know. But I would show them how to do something, have them do it or attempt to do it, and then I would give feedback. But by her not even just being freezing up like that, it's not a good sign, man.
On my neck and like nibble at my neck. Oh my God! Do you want to take the lettuce for him? Feeding some lettuce.
We can try.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, let's get him in the truck.
Oh gosh, you guys are.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The officer ultimately saved the day by taking on the difficult task himself. However, there was still one more thing to do before transporting the iguana.
They are. Grab your phone, take a couple pictures for me so my wife doesn't kill me.
See the cops around, you gotta come to a complete stop. Don't be rolling through that stop sign now. She better have it on portrait mode. Don't be taking no regular photos.
Thank you.
Let go of my camera. He's gonna be in the front seat shortly.
No way.
I don't think you can get under the front seat. We'll find out.
She's scared to open the door.
No, that plate goes all the way through.
Oh my gosh.
The iguana was charged with disorderly conduct, trespassing, resisting arrest, and fleeing from law enforcement. The iguana would most likely be handed over to wildlife authorities.
That's funny. That's funny. Now, this is just a lighthearted video. I was scrolling and I seen that and I'm like, yo, nah, this is hilarious. But like I said, that scenario that I did give is not far-fetched from something that could actually really happen. And I would want her to at least attempt to try it. Like if she went in like initially, like, right, if she went to try to grab him and he squirmed off or whatever, and you know, and she didn't have the strength, you know, when the guy officer picked him up and he was wagging the tail and you know, and maybe she dropped him. If she did that and like she ended up dropping him or whatever, okay, you tried, you know what I mean? Good job, you know. But to not really even yeah, she was kind of scared. But anyways, so here we go. You know, we got to do our jailhouse accountability now. Come on now. I got it. So we got 6 categories here. The closer you are, 0 equals handled it perfectly. 10 equals generational crash out, right? So the closer you are to 0, the better you did. The worse, the closer you are to 10, the worse you did. So the 6 categories that we got here is compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety risk, wasted chances. All right. So for compliance, we got a 7 out of 10. Okay. He refused to be picked up and made officers chase after him. Okay. So that, you know, chase and grab him and stuff like that. He was not compliant. All right. Attitude, 4 out of 10. No yelling, no insults, no crazy talk. Just quiet reptile. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Self-control, 6 out of 10. He stayed mostly calm, but once they got close, he started going into business for himself. And that business was escaping, okay? Trying to escape. All right. Truthfulness, 0 out of 10. you know, handled it perfectly. All right. He did not lie, give a fake name, or deny anything, mainly because he's an iguana. All right. Safety risk, 5 out of 10. Big claws, big tail, possible bite, you know, risk. But he never turned it into a full crash out. Okay. So, you know, middle of the road, you know, he's a little feisty thing. Wasted chances, 6 out of 10. He had plenty of chances to walk into custody peacefully, but he chose to give some resistance. All right, so final jail score, 28 out of 60. Converted score, 4.7 out of 10. That's my rating. Let me know your rating in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.